So today we're going to talk about Tesla. We will talk about Tesla batteries and how you can mount an entire pack of Tesla Model S on a PV system and then reconfigure the entire battery in order to work on 48 volts so you can power on the power inverter, the solar inverter. In this way we'll make a custom DIY power roll like Tesla Salt, but with a capacity of 85 kilowatts hour. Yes, this capacity is enough to power the whole house for one night, one day, again one night, again one day. I think a normal house can function with only one charge for about 1 week. Yes, one entire week with only one charge. This story starts with Mark, a guy that I met on a fair a few years ago. In that moment, Mark has a stand there and offered DIY storage solution for PV system made from lithium batteries that come from crushed cars. Me, being a PV system owner, I was immediately captivated by his solution, and of course, we changed few words and some ideas there. Time passed and I gave up the idea to buy storage in lithium batteries and I spent my money on some gel batteries. That battery I kept only 2 years in the UPS mode. That until a friend of mine bring back the subject about car battery and I started again to search the best solution to storage my extra solar energy that I produce during the day. After a few months of searching and testing, I came up to the conclusion that the car battery are the best and the most accessible storage for solution on the PV system. Next, I will tell you fast my experience with the car batteries. My first experience was to convert the battery from a Nissan Leaf into home batteries. I finished this project in only 4 days from scratch without any experience in this field. In 4 days I made the project of the case, I made the case from the steel, I painted and then I put all the module, and in this moment I'm filming this video on battery. My whole studio is powered by Nissan Leaf batteries. You can see this project in my other videos. My second project is the one we are talking about now. So 85 kilowatts Tesla battery converted to the 48 volts and installed on the PV solar system. You are probably wondering where I found an entire pack of Tesla Model S. Well, here's Mark, the guy I told you about earlier. His main job is to convert normal cars into electric cars. So we told him that we want to buy an entire pack from a crushed Tesla, and of course he jumped immediately with his team into this project and he sold us the complete Tesla battery. Anyway, I will leave you into the description below the link of his site. You can find there the price details, and yes, he will ship worldwide the Tesla batteries. Back to our battery pack, we are made a custom case and start installing the Tesla battery module. You are probably wondering how we did the 48 volt conversion. This was simple to do because the Tesla has a battery consisting of 22.2 volts module. So each module has a nominal power, so two modules connected in series achieve the 48 volts, and then we connect the rest of the module in parallel. In this way we make a battery bank of 48 volts. Now, you are probably going to ask me how we cool and how we heat the battery, because yes, Tesla has a factory cooling and heating system to maintain the exact temperature. Because this pack is installed in a garage and there is a constant temperature of 22 degrees, and the inverters that we have installed has 24 kilowatts, and we measure the maximum capacity that we draw from battery is 15 kilowatts, the battery will stay cold. Based on this, we gave up to the cooling and heating system and we don't put it. We made some tests and charged the battery with 272 amps and the battery stay around 22 degrees, so it's perfect. Now about protection and safety. As you know, Tesla module have BMS module installed on each module. This BMS can monitor each group of cells and perform the balancing such a way that the battery are charged and discharged correctly. So also this part was solved. To monitor this factory BMS that is on the module, we install another custom BMS module that transforms the original Tesla BMS into the slave one, and our BMS become a master. Then we installed also two contactors that are controlled by the BMS, and when the battery loses communication with the BMS, those contactors are closed and limit the energy that enters into the battery, so protect it. So we have external protection for overcharge. A lithium battery becomes dangerous when it's charged above the limit you have from the manufacturers. It heats up and finally catch fire. Too much discharge only destroys the battery life, so we set the inverter to listen to the BMS, and in the absence of communication, like I told you earlier, we'll disconnect the charger and the battery will be protected. So we take all the safety measures so the battery can be used correctly into the house. In the next video I will share with you more details about this project. Until then, I will let you to watch the entire installation process of this battery. So if you liked this video and you want to see more, click subscribe to receive a notification when a new video is posted, and of course if you have any question, I'm waiting for you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this episode and I hope you enjoy it, and if yes, give us a thumbs up. Catch you on the next video.
Okay.